I'm Larry Leibowitz, Director of Culinary Operations for Guckenheimer. I'm going to show you how to make sun-ripened tomato butter. It's perfect for a piece of grilled fish or chicken, wonderful for summertime affairs. Here's what you're going to need. A clove of garlic, pound of butter, sun-ripened tomatoes, salt, and pepper. First I'm going to start off breaking off 1 clove of garlic, and then I am then going to smash the piece of garlic with the side end of my knife, allowing it to break apart from the paper skin. I'm going to add that clove of garlic directly to my work bowl of a blender. Food processor works great as well. Then I'm going to add in my sun-ripened tomatoes. I'm going to allow that to blend for about 20 seconds. Now I'm going to add my butter. I've allowed it to soften up at room temperature. This cuts down on the blending time. Going to add a healthy pinch of salt. I have unsalted butter here. If you're using salted butter, you can eliminate that step. And a few cracks of fresh ground black pepper. Put the lid back on, return it to the blender base. You may need to mix it up to ensure that all the butter and tomato are nicely blended together. Repeat that step about 3 more times. Okay, now that the butter is nicely incorporated with the sun-ripened tomato, it's finished, ready to use. A couple things I like to do is either spoon it on a piece of grilled fish or chicken. It also works great coming right out of a piping bag. You can do them ahead of time. Pipe them with a star tip right onto a piece of parchment paper or wax paper, and then freeze them. Put them in a Ziploc bag when you're ready to use. Another way I like to do it to save on space is to roll them up into a log. And to do that, I've taken a piece of parchment paper. Wax paper will work as well. And I'm then going to spoon out my sun-ripened tomato butter into a nice line across my parchment. Then gonna roll it over so that I have some overlap on the parchment paper. Turn that towards me. And with the back of a plate or even a cookie sheet, as you can see, I'm just tightening it up to form that log. And that's all it takes to make sun-ripened tomato butter. Enjoy.